So the Nest community was basically founded on the premise that craft was an amazing purpose to bring people together as a community and to also provide a safe space for women. I realised what was more important was to create a community that was intergenerational, personal connections that I think is really important about what we do. If you have the ability to create the things that you're going to present in, then it's truer to yourself or who you are. It's authentic to who you are. You're not dressing as somebody else would consider it. You're developing your own individuality.
When fast fashion sort of became really well known, people started talking about sustainability and being interested in whatever sustainability could be in the fashion industry.
These skills are so important for young people. You need to have materials to work with. Having access to materials that are a fraction of the cost is just such a help.